everyone, I am Asima Biswal. Today I will discuss about vicious circle of capital deficiency and vicious circle caused by market imperfections. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel Economic Tech. First I will discuss about vicious circle of capital deficiency. The most significant vicious circles are those that affect the accumulation of capital in underdeveloped countries. Capital deficiency is the root cause of underdevelopment and poverty of a country. All underdeveloped countries are deficient in capital stock and the rate of capital formation is extremely low. And the main cause for this is the vicious circle of poverty. Capital accumulation depends upon two factors. First, supply of capital. Second, demand for capital. First, I will discuss about supply of capital. Okay. Supply side. Supply of capital depends upon savings, which in turn depends upon the saving capacity and willingness of the people. In poor countries, there is capital deficiency and as such productivity is low, which in turn causes low real income. When real income is low, capacity to save is also low. Okay. Investment for capital formation needs saving, but real saving being low, the investment is also low, and hence there is low capital formation and the country becomes capital deficient. This capital deficiency causes low productivity again, and so the vicious circle develops. See that low saving leads to low investment. Low investment leads to low capital formation. Low capital formation leads to capital deficiency. Capital deficiency leads to low productivity. Low productivity leads to low real income. Again, low real income leads to low saving. So, such is the vicious circle of capital accumulation. Now, I will discuss about demand side of vicious circle. How capital deficient is. Demand side for capital depends upon the incentive to invest, which in turn depends upon the level of consumption of people. In poor country, demand for capital is low because of low incentive to invest, okay, which is the result of low level of consumption of the people, which again is due to their low real income, which again is due to low productivity. The low productivity results in small amount of capital used, which is due to low incentive to invest, and so on. The vicious circle develops. See that low saving leads to low real income. Low real income leads to low productivity. Low productivity leads to capital deficiency. Capital deficiency leads to low capital formation. Low capital formation, low investment. So low investment leads to low saving. So such is the demand side of capital deficient. Then I will discuss about vicious circle caused by market imperfection. Mayer and Baldwin have described a third vicious circle based on capital deficiency due to market imperfections. In underdeveloped countries, resources are underutilized and misutilized. In underdeveloped countries, resources are underdeveloped and people are economically backward. Existence of market imperfections prevents optimum allocation and utilization of natural resources, and the result is underdevelopment, and this in turn leads to economic backwardness. The development of natural resources depends upon the character of human resources, but due to lack of skill and low level of knowledge, natural resources will remain unutilized, underutilized and misutilized. In the words of Mayer and Baldwin, underdeveloped resources are therefore both a consequence and cause of the backward people. The more economically backward are the people, The less developed will be natural resources. Lesser the development of natural resources, more the people are economically backward. The vicious circle caused by market imperfection is shown as under. See that market imperfection leads to low productivity. Low productivity leads to low real income. Low real income leads to low saving. Low saving leads to low investment. Low investment leads to low capital formation. So low capital formation leads to market imperfection. Market imperfection leads to underdevelopment. Underdevelopment leads to economic backwardness. Economic backwardness leads to capital deficiency. The vicious circle of poverty is the result of various vicious circles which were on the sides of supply of and demand for capital. As a result, capital formation remains low, resulting is low productivity and low real income. Thus, the country is caught in vicious circle of poverty which are mutually aggravating and it is very difficult to break them. Thanks for watching.